Hey team, this is Steve. I just wanted to show you how to add CarFilm to your desktop so you can start using and sending videos. First thing you want to do is click on the extension icon in the upper right hand corner of your Chrome browser, which is next to your profile picture typically. Click on that icon, click on Manage Extensions, then click Chrome Web Store, then type up here CarFilm app. Click on anywhere in this box here, and then Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. It tells you here the CarFilm has been added to Chrome. And when you're in DealerSocket now, if you refresh DealerSocket, you'll see the CarFilm app on the lower right-hand corner. If you have any questions, let me know. The next videos I'll make are how to use it in DealerSocket, how to add it to your mobile device, and how to send videos via your mobile device. So look for those as well. Thanks.